How to create an Excel spreadsheet on Microsoft OneDrive app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is just download the OneDrive application, as you can see right here, and also you should be downloaded the Microsoft Office app. Now click on OneDrive. This is the home page, as you can see. Go to the top here, click on this plus icon, click on it. Now it will take you to this page. Go down here and click on create an Excel spreadsheet, and like this. Now all what you have to do is to download Microsoft Office, and you will be able to add your Excel spreadsheet. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later.